guys, welcome to another video. So if you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel and do everything that needs to be done. So let's see what happens and let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to another video on learning HTML. In my previous videos I have discussed about how you can use tags and different tags. I talked about different kinds of tags in HTML. If you haven't watched my video already, please go back and watch it and then come back to this video and see through it. The link to my previous video will be in the description down below. Please go and check it out. And in this video I'm going to talk about more about tags and several other tags. So here firstly I'll talk about the anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to link other websites to your website. You may have seen Wikipedia. The reference section of the Wikipedia contains the links of other websites that they have taken reference from. So obviously you can add other websites to your website as well. So we can do it with the help of anchor tag. Just like source in the image tag, href is used to redirect from your page to other pages. Okay, so the link to other pages we generally put here within inverted commas and within the href attribute. So here I'm going to put a website. You can put any other websites. Here I have given my website. You can go and always check it out, my website. It'll be down below. And so this is one way to add a link. Obviously here you can add a description to your to the link, the hyperlink that you have added. The links are known as the hyperlink because we are adding the link to my particular web page that I'm making. I'm linking other websites to it. So the websites that I am linking, these websites are known as, or the links that we add in our web page are known as hyperlinks. Okay, so there is another way you can add hyperlinks is again I'm going to just show you the syntax. And here you can add an attribute called target. Now, why do we add this attribute here and what is the difference between these two syntaxes? Obviously, I'll tell you. In the first case, in this case, what happens is the moment you enter the hyperlink and in your website you click the hyperlink, the link, as soon as you click the link, the website will be opened in the same tab, right? And in the second case, here the target attribute redirects the new website to a new tab. So when you click the link, the new website will be opened in a new tab. So you can always customize it as you wish. So if I do not want the new website to open into a new tab, then I would obviously write this. And if I want the link or the particular new website to open in a new tag, then you can add an attribute called target and a new tab will be opened and the website will be opened over there. Okay, so these are the two tags. We are going to save it. Obviously this will not work because the backend portion is still not ready for this particular website. We have not put any kind of backend support. I told you in my previous videos that we always need two things in order to build a complete website. One is the front end section, and the other is backend section. So this is the front end section. The front end section will only work when we have a strong backend section. Okay. Now I will tell you about a particular page that I have made over here. Sorry. This. Now here what I have done is I have I'll just quickly explain. I have written the HTML. Within the HTML tags, I did forget to close the HTML tag. And within the HTML tag, I have first given an image, which is the logo. Then I have added a BR to add a new line. I have added my website over here. Then I have added a paragraph. I have written an Aaishwarya Guha official blog page. I have started creating my own blog page. You can do it as well. And then again an image, again a heading, then the head tag closes, BR tag, there's an image in the paragraph. So basically, let's see how this looks. So this is how it looks. First, I have added the logo. This is the logo of the page. Then I have added the link to my website. Coming down, I've added the heading, which is the Aaishwarya Guha blog page. Then I've added my picture. Then another heading, a step-by-step walk through my HTML page, and then another image which signifies the blog. So you can always add image and make your web page more attractive like this. I haven't obviously completed this website or this blog page. In our coming section of my videos, I'll be going through this blog page and tell you how to complete it, and you can do it accordingly. You can create your own blog page and see how it looks, right? Coming back to the first code here, I did tell you about the two lists, that is the ordered and the unordered list. How can we add nesting to the list? I'm going to tell you that. By nesting, I mean that within two lists there will be another two lists, then within another two lists there will be another two lists, like this. You can nest lists accordingly. So we can add nesting to ordered and unordered lists as well. I'm going to show you in case of unordered list. This is the first list. Okay, then I will add the li tag, one, then another li tag, two. But here, note carefully, I will not give the closing li tag. I'll again write ul and here again li to 1, li to 2. Again, if I want to add another nesting, then I can add it like this, UL LI 3 1, then again LI 3 2. Here finally I'll close the LI tag, and I am going to close the UL tags as well. So sorry, save. So this is the syntax. I will explain the syntax. Here is the UL tag, the first LI tag. Again, I've closed the first LI tag. From the second LI tag, I haven't closed the tag. I have again added the UL tag, again LI, second LI, again I haven't closed. I have added UL, then LI, and finally I have closed it, right? So basically this is the syntax for if you want to nest a particular list, an unordered list. And this is it for this session. If you have any doubts or any problem, please don't forget to comment down below. I'll try and answer to all of that. And before anything else, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell me how did you like my videos. Tell me if you have understood it. And that's it for the session. Thank you so much. Happy learning.